one is one of my favorite treats that I've had my entire life through childhood and all of that. One thing that you need to know, when you go vegan, you don't have to give up all of your favorite things, just veganize them. So today we're gonna veganize some funnel cake. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so before we get into making this delicious vegan funnel cake, let's make our flax egg. Now it's called a flax egg only because it's a binder. Of course, it is not a raw egg because we vegan out here and we are not doing any of that. All right, y'all. So grab your flax seeds and you just want to throw them into a blender. I'm using my Vitamix here. Put your top on and you want to just really blend it up on high or however you can till it starts to really blend and it comes out like meal. You want it to be very grainy. Now to make a flax egg, it is 1 tablespoon of the flaxseed meal mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna add that into a little container. Now I already prepped it in advance, so I'm trying to be fancy for y'all. So here is my flax egg. Notice how it has like a little gel-like structure to it because it's been sitting in the fridge for 15 minutes. So that's exactly how you make a flax egg.
So now we're gonna get our dry ingredients together. Heat your oil about halfway through your skillet. Go ahead and mix those ingredients on up really good. Add our flax egg, our oat milk, and our vanilla extract. That's some extra flavor. Now you can put it in anything that you're going to use to make your funnel cake with. I put it in here and I'm just making a bunch of squiggly lines, y'all. You just want to do a bunch of different squiggly lines all over the pan and just let that fry up to golden perfection. Look at how pretty it is. Now you're gonna let it fry for 1 minute on each side. And once that 1 minute is up, you're gonna flip that bad boy on over and let it fry for another minute on the other side. Remove your funnel cake on paper towel to dry. Add your powdered sugar on top of the funnel cake. All right, now if you are fancy like me, you want to add a little strawberry glaze on top. That's optional, y'all, and that's our funnel cake. Isn't she gorgeous? Get into it. Thanks, y'all, for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment.